Hi guys, it's a beautiful day once again and welcome back to Dexter's World channel. When I started this farm, I already envisioned about the integrated farming. And what do I mean when I say integrated farming? It's a farming that is composed of plants, vegetables, chickens, fish, and many more. You know that when we started developing this farm, we started from zero, from scratch. And slowly, we're able to do the integrated farming. We have this fish pond of the hito, fish pond of the tilapia, we also have this ornamental fish, and many more insofar as the fish industry is concerned. And I envision to plant vegetables because these vegetables are also very good for our health, for our diet. And I started with planting white squash. This white squash have become so many here that we were able to harvest plenty of white squash. Wow. Gives us the testament that this integrated farming could be achievable. And then it followed by the bitter gourd. After the white squash, we dream to have the red squash, the regular squash that we can normally see in the market. And we planted some 10 seeds, and now we can already see the fruits because these vegetables are already flowering. You look at the yellow flowers, they're already an indication of fruits. And this is a milestone because we only had planted the seeds on the recycled containers. And we were able to prove that planting vegetables in this type of method is also very achievable, it's workable. And we can see handful of fruits. This is the testament of our success because these are actually an indication now that we can have more of this kind of fruits in the weeks to come because they will be multiplying a lot in 4, 5, or 6 weeks. So we are on the 4th week and you will see we already have fruits. And this is heavy because this is a big variety of squash. One fruit will weigh around 2 to 3 kilos. And the stems of this cannot support because they are supposed to be crawling on the ground. But what we're gonna do here is to make hammock right here to support the weight of the fruits. But as of the moment, we will just leave it as it is because they are still small. And I'm very encouraged to plant vegetables because the vegetable industry is actually now very promising. Guys, you will see here that aside from the squash, we already have this watermelon. And this watermelon is already very big. It's promising here. We only have one fruit, but it's understandable because this is still the 3-week-old watermelon. The vegetable plantation and fruit industry is actually promising. That encourages me a lot to do some planting activity here under the integrated farming. And this is our goal, to plant more vegetables right here. You will see that our ladyfinger is already blooming and it's about to bear fruits. So I'm so excited about this. To further excite us, let us go to the public market. This is called the Santa Cruz Public Market. And as we get there, you will see that the industry of the fruits and vegetables are actually blooming. And it will encourage you all the more as we go there. Come on, let's go! So guys, we are here now at Santa Cruz Public Market, otherwise known as Bagsakan Center. This is the place where people can, directly sell their products from the farm and then sell it here. That's why it's called Bagsakan Center. The farming industry of various vegetables and fruits deserve our appreciation, as people are increasingly recognizing the health benefits associated with consuming them. Opting for vegetables in our daily diet instead of fatty foods help us prevent cholesterol buildup. Not only are vegetables generally more affordable than meat and other fatty food products, but they also reduce the need for expensive medications to lower sugar and cholesterol levels. Embracing a nutritious diet can lead to a longer and more fulfilling life, promoting a healthy mind and body. In contrast, my personal experience with fatty liver due to excessive meat consumption highlights the negative impact it can have on our health. Eating fresh avocado on a regular basis will really improve and boost your immune system. And this is what I did. You look at this, I have 1 kilo of this avocado, and this is gonna be good for the week. So I encourage you to eat natural food, because this is really the best thing that we can do in order to avoid cholesterol, fatty liver, and many other diseases. This public market serves as the hub for natural remedies that enhance our immune systems. Let me offer 2 points of encouragement. Firstly, the vegetable cultivation industry is experiencing a rise in profitability. Secondly, adopting a nutritious diet based on these vegetables can significantly improve our overall effectiveness, as a sound body and spirit lead to enhanced performance. Maintaining good health through proper nutrition can strengthen family bonds by minimizing health concerns. In essence, good health is synonymous with wealth, and this prosperity is intricately linked to a wholesome diet derived from the bountiful natural vegetables bestowed upon us by nature.
Ako po si Norbert Alaw, anak ng may-ari nitong pwesto, bebenta ng mga gulay, kung ano, tulad nito, talong, kalabasa, sitaw, tsaka maganda rin yung produkto ngayon kasi medyo okay yung bentahan. Kasi yung presyo, medyo tumaas, tsaka pang negosyo yung mga gulay, maayos talaga kasi pag may natira, pwedeng i-slice, ganyan.
So wala kang ibang hanap buhay, ganito lang, benta ng
Wala po. Ito lang.
Maganda talaga negosyo nito.
Opo, maganda.
Kung magtanim tayo, okay din, no?
Okay na okay, sir. Kasi kung sa isang puno may tutubo yun ng mga prutas na tig-1 kilo, bawing-bawi na. Diba, sir?
So this is what I said. This is a source of good income for the vendors and also for the consumers, because the consumers can actually low down the expenses for the food. Especially if you are going to include this in your diet, because this is cheaper than the processed food. And I have here tomato, I have here eggplants, I have here carrots, I have here fruits, some avocado, and they are actually best for our health. Well, thank you guys for watching. I hope that you are encouraged with this video and you will start entertaining the idea of planting your vegetables and engaging a business involving vegetables and fruits. And if you are not subscribed to this channel, I humbly ask you to please subscribe and hit that notification bell because we are uploading videos regularly. And of course, if you will subscribe, you will be notified of our future uploads. I will see you in my next video, only here at Dexter's World.